Copy sketch. Normally, we use the copy sketch command to copy a sketch. But do you know there's also a shortcut for it? If not, let me tell you. You simply need to hold the Control key, drag the sketch entity, and place it at your required location. This will instantly create a copy of the sketch. Dynamic mirror. With the help of this command, you can dynamically mirror sketch entities to the opposite side. To use it, first select the command and then choose a center line. After that, when you start sketching, the same sketch will automatically appear on the opposite side. Instant 2D. Using this command, you can easily edit any sketch entity that already has dimensions applied. You just need to click on the small round dot near the area and drag the mouse. The ruler will highlight the size accordingly, and you can smoothly change the dimensions by dragging. As you move closer to the ruler, the decimal values decrease, and as you move farther away, the decimal values increase. Sketch editing shortcut. Sometimes we need to edit an existing sketch. Normally, we right-click the sketch from the feature tree and select the Edit Sketch option. But this method takes a bit more time. A faster and better way is to simply highlight the sketch and double-click on it. The sketch will instantly open in Edit Sketch mode. Sketch Exit shortcut. Normally, after completing a sketch, we move the mouse to the corner and click the Exit Sketch button. This requires extra mouse movement and slightly affects efficiency. Instead, simply double left-click on any empty working area and you will instantly exit the sketch. Sketch repair. Sometimes while creating a sketch, a portion of the sketch remains open at a specific location. Detecting that open point can become very difficult. Whenever this happens, you can use the sketch repair option to quickly locate and fix the open area of the sketch. Sketch color. When you are sketching on multiple planes and want to differentiate between the views, assigning different colors to sketches is the best method. Changing the sketch color is very simple. Just right-click on the sketch, go to Sketch Color, and choose any color you like. Click OK, and the color will be applied instantly.